if I could show how to make really healthy cookies. And I was like, no, but I can show how to make really delicious cookies. Delicious chocolate chip cookies, low carb and gluten free. Let's go. Sift together 2 1/4 cups of a good gluten-free flour that has xanthan gum in it. 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Into your mixing bowl, 1/4 cup of cream cheese, 3/4 of a cup of melted butter, 1 cup of Truvia brown sugar substitute, 1/2 cup of swirl sugar substitute. Blend that together. Now, 1.5 teaspoons of butterflavor vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. 2 egg yolks, beat in one at a time. Now your dry ingredients. Cup of chocolate chips, Lily's, no sugar added cup of chocolate carbs. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours. So delicious, there they are. You just say goodbye to bland food and hello to good food. Woo!